Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to complain about an Amazon delivery in 2025. Whether your package never arrived, was delayed, or you just need to speak to an agent, I'll walk you through step by step. Start by logging into your Amazon account. Once you're in, head over to your orders. Here you'll see a list of everything you've purchased. Now, find the order you're having trouble with and click Track Package. On this page, you may see options like Where's My Stuff or even a thumbs down button. If the package never arrived, tap Never Received Package. From there, Amazon will guide you through requesting either a refund or a replacement. If your delivery is just running late, Amazon recommends waiting at least 48 hours after the estimated date. After that, go to the Help section or the Contact Us page. Select an order I place, then pick the order you're asking about. Tap Problem with an order, then Shipping or Delivery issues, and finally, shipment is late. Depending on the case, you might get a refund for shipping fees or another resolution. Now, sometimes the automated options aren't enough. If you need to talk with someone, go to the Amazon customer service page. Choose help with something else, then something else, and finally, I need more help. This will open a chat window with an Amazon representative. And in some cases, you'll also see an option to request a phone call. And here's another situation. If your package was sold and shipped by a third-party seller, you'll need to reach out to them directly. Go back to your orders, open the item page, click on the seller's name, and then hit Ask a Question to message them about your delivery problem. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple, right? That's how you can file a complaint about an Amazon delivery in 2025. Whether it's missing, late, or shipped by a third party, Amazon has options to help. If this tutorial helped, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like and subscribe for more quick guides.